it's XIAOYUKIKO here. Today is AFA Day 1 and today I'm cosplaying as Xiaoyu Wedding. Specially commissioned this dress for the big day because it's the huge AFA comeback today. And from my hotel room, I can actually see the convention hall downstairs. Look at all the people downstairs. Oh my god, it's still early in the morning eh. All these people are queuing for the tickets. After all, AFA haven't been back for 3 years and this is the first AFA comeback, so I am sure there's gonna be a lot of people coming. I'm really excited as well. So today's dress is actually specially commissioned, so I'm not sure if you have seen the fan art before. I'm gonna pop it here. And it's about time. I'm going to roam the event hall. See you guys in a bit. Now here at the convention level 3, and as you can see, this is insane. The whole convention level 3 area is filled with people. The queue is filled up from there and all goes all the way to the back. And all these people are trying to get their ticket. It's not trying to enter the hall. So yeah, I think the event is gonna be insane, and this is just day 1. Day 2 and day 3. Oh my god. God bless!到了！
对。
好棒哦！走吧。现在在休息室吃午饭。哇，刚才外面好多人啊！我站在那个感性的booth旁边，就好多人在要照片。Feel like having an appearance at Genshin Impact booth. Hello Genshin Impact, excuse you. Please contact me. I would like to have an appearance. But yes, I now need a hide at the resting area to eat my lunch. Itadakimasu. We are moving to Ataverse photo taking now. It's the food street at the side. It smells so good. There's a lot of people. I was looking down from my hotel room and I see, wow, so many people queuing for the tickets. I'm everywhere. Yeah. My next convention will be at Comic Fiesta. I have a booth and hope to see you guys there.
Yeah, so you guys share hotel room, is it? You guys? No.
And that was the end of day 1. I'm now back in my hotel room and today was really insane. There's a lot of people screaming at me. I keep getting stopped at the event floor. I couldn't move. To be honest, not complaining. Really happy that everyone is so excited to see me. See you guys on day 2. Hello, it's AFA Day 2 and right now I'm cosplaying as Seika, the AFA mascot girl. Everyone's been calling her that, the AFA girl, but actually she has a name, it's Seika. And today I'll be doing 2 costumes. This is my first costume of the day. And later I'll be changing to my second cosplay for the day. So this is my first time ever I'm doing 2 cosplays in a day at an event, and it's kind of shag, but definitely worth it. Right now I am actually 10 minutes away from my arrival time, estimated arrival time, so I better run off now. I'll see you guys later. It's me! next costume. Just changed into my second costume. Ta-da! Biggest weakness is horror movies.
Yeah.
I cannot go to Halloween horror night. There's once when my sister dragged me over and I just screamed all the way, and one of the actors was acting as a ghost chased after me because I was so scared.
Do you know that
They purposely bullied me.
they actually chase after the one that's most scared? So the trick is to be brave, you know. It's scream internally and then like act like nothing happened and then walk past.
The ghost basically bullied me, so I never went again.
Yeah, because it has such an interesting reaction, that's why.
I'm back at my hotel room, and that's the end of day 2. Really grateful to all of you who came to my meet and greet session, and the queue was really long. I'm really sorry to those people who didn't get to sign their merch, but because I am not able to extend my meet and greet session because other cosplayers need to sign their merch as well, and the other fans are waiting already. So really sorry to those people who at the back of the queue, then they got cut off. But if you guys ever come to my next event or see me next time, I'll be more than happy to sign the merch for you, okay? So that's all for today. I am going to go and cos down and remove my makeup and take a nice warm bubble bath. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow's cosplay is gonna be epic. So yes, see you tomorrow. Jianing. XIAOYUKIKO, cosplayer from Singapore, and today I'm cosplaying as Madoka Goddess. Yes.
And now we will move on to Xiaoyu's Q&A session. I'm in 3, 2, 1. The Fish Union. Okay. So because Xiaoyu mentioned that it's what is it today?
Cosplay anniversary.
How many years?
5 years.
5 years. We have a cake to celebrate Xiaoyu's 5th anniversary cosplay. Let's round of applause. Yay! Ready in 3, 还有嘞？为什么没有记得 ？Yes, go ahead. Yeah! Congratulations on your 5th anniversary cosplay.
I'm backstage waiting for cosplay single competition judging. I am ready.
XIAOYUKIKO.
Yeah, yeah.